Hey everyone, this is Stamping Songbird. I'm doing another bonus video. No cutting machine, no cut files. I'm using another Miss Kate Cuttables die cut pack. So the last time I did a bonus video, I used the Summer Love die cut pack that I got on Amazon for $7.99. I'm sorry that my pack is all a little wonky because I couldn't put it back in the proper way. I got this on Amazon for $7.99. This is her Summer Love pack. It comes with 60 die cuts, and this is the page that I made. It was a upside down. This is a one-page layout. I used only 9 pieces out of the 60 that come in the pack. So I used the Summer Love title. I used 3 of the bicycles and just a couple of the hearts, just to do a summer layout to display 3 photos using 2 mats that can display 4x4 photos and 1 that could display a 4x6 photo. Very simple. It's a little feminine, but I think you can put any summer photos there. So I also have the Doggone Cute die cut pack, which I also shared in my video about what to do if you don't have a cutting machine, or what to use if you don't have a cutting machine. I haven't used this one yet, but today we're going to use a boy pack that I just got, and it's called Built Boy Tough. This is a pack that is just for a boy layout, and it also comes with 60 die cuts. I got it also at Amazon. I think I paid $7.99 for this one as well. So 60 pieces, and you saw with this one I only used 9 pieces, which means you can make several layouts, a whole album with all of the pieces that are included. You don't need a cutting machine, you don't need a Cameo Silhouette, you don't need any Cricut machine or any other of the other brands. All you need is some paper, scissors, glue, a cutter, paper cutter. Sorry, I lost my train of thought for a second there. And that's it, and just an idea of what you want, and you're good to go. Okay, so we're going to get started. Let's put this one to the side, and I am going to use, I actually found the front part of that starter pack that I'm always saying I use. So this is what it looks like. It's from Amazon. It's the Nina starter pack from Amazon. The Creative Collection. It's premium cardstock, 65 pound. It comes with 72 sheets. These are all the colors that they come in. I love this. It's what I use for my base pages. But if you look here, you could also get it in 30 pound, 32 pound, 70 pound, and 80 pound. I just use the 65 pound as my base pages, and it works just fine. But you can get heavier cardstock if you want it. I don't remember the price offhand, but I'll find it and I'll put it in information in the description bar below. So I'm using the red and the navy blue, and the red is at 11.5 by 11.5. The navy blue is at just 12 by 12. So I'm not using any designer paper as my background. And then I have 2 strips of this designer paper that's cut at 11.5 by 1.5, I believe. This I don't remember where I got. It could be Stampin' Up, but I don't remember, so don't quote me, and I can't put it information down below because I don't remember where it's from. It's like from a pack that was, I think, from a Father's Day collection maybe, or a baby boy collection. It could be Stampin' Up or maybe Photo Play. I really don't remember. I'm sorry about that. So this is going to be my base. I also prepared some photo mats ahead of time using the navy blue as my main background to match the background here. These photo mats are cut at 4.25 by 6.25, with the white part just being 4 by 6, and then these 2 are 4.25 by 4.25, with the white part being 4 by 4. I don't know which ones I'm going to use, and I haven't gone over the pieces at all. I have only looked at the pictures that are on the back, so I don't even know what I'm going to use. Honestly, I don't know. So I'm gonna do this all here on camera. Of course, I will fast forward whatever parts I think you don't need to sit through, because who wants to watch me just gluing things for like 20 to 40 minutes? I mean, really, it's like watching paint dry. I say that all the time. Okie dokie. Yep, I think we are good. Wow, this is so busy for me, but so unlike me. Well, here we go. We have, good to go, a 1-page layout for a boy using Miss Kate's Built Boy Tough 60 die cut pack from MissKateDesigns.com. I got it on Amazon for $7.99. It has all of these beautiful designs. It only has 2 titles though, unless you count the caution as a title. This time I used a whole bunch of little bits and bobs. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24 pieces. I counted the stars last. 24 out of the 60, so I could probably get maybe 4 layouts if I keep using all the little pieces, but if you use less than what I did, then you can get a lot more layouts, boy layouts. I love this one. It's so cute. It's a lot. I think I did a lot, but I think it's worth it. It came out really cute. So you don't need a cutting machine to create your layouts. I've already done it with another one of hers, with her Summer Love. This is Built Boy Tough. I have the Doggone Love. You can get a whole bunch of these for just a couple of bucks, and you don't need a cutting machine. So the next time I do a bonus video, I'm going to actually use stickers. I'm going to use stickers that come in scrapbooking kits that I actually purchased on Amazon for $1.50. So stay tuned for that. I hope you like it. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Until next time, thanks for watching. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.